Hey there, myself Dr. Chavisa. I'm registered Indian patent agent. Do you know a girl who is 25 years old, started her journey from a garage and ended up with a multi-billionaire company by just producing affordable insulin? Yet another story. Do you know a girl who developed a pocket ECG machine? Then question arises, if such inventions are really impactful or having their own importance, then why the giant companies or pharmaceutical domain are not able to replicate it? The answer lies in a patent. Because they have patented it so that no one can use it without their permission. So if you want to know about how to protect your idea, your intellectuals into patent property, then the Department of Science and Technology, Rajasthan, sponsored and organized by School of Pharmacy in collaboration with Institute Innovation Council. A conference is organized on 24th of March, and I will be there for sharing such insightful stories, as well as I will demonstrate you how to file a patent application of your own. See you there. Jai Hind. Have a nice day.